the climate change section, which was entirely, written by the industry, Alpha Geosciences, and we can talk about some of those connections as well. But essentially, they look at the greenhouse gas, potential. So a good comment would be, a less substantive comment would be, I'm concerned about the greenhouse gas potential of natural gas extraction. They cover it throughout. The DEC will check that off as this person is concerned about this, but we feel we've addressed it. A substantive comment will be on 6.198. You essentially look at the greenhouse gas potential of methane on a 20-year, 100-year, and a 500-year cycle, and you ignore the 8-year. The 8-year, we're looking at a shorter time scale in terms of action on climate change. Why are you ignoring the 8-year? You're ignoring a whole body of information, and that even though they provide the 20-year, they decide to go with the 100-year potential as, the 25 times more potent a greenhouse gas than CO2. Then they go with even the 20-year. What's the justification for that? And then even worse, on the next page, we're looking at 199. These numbers clearly are wrong. And I know this is really thick stuff, but spend time with the numbers, because I think these guys are wrong. Do you want to?
If I may add, very devoid of the word that everyone should be using, cumulative.
Right.
Cumulative. You don't see it, and that's the most important part of this. Cumulative impacts.
Right. And we'll get into that in
Okay.
terms of common themes, but just in terms of substantive comment, use the pages, use the numbers, and then they claim in this that a vertical well has more greenhouse gas potential than a horizontal well. Even though a horizontal well has got 80 times, these numbers clearly are wrong. And I think that this is where these are the most substantive comments you can make. When you're attacking very specific things, you can cite page and number and provide an alternative language or add to